Hello, this is Tracy Buchanan, and I'm doing my video on how to recognize and treat alcohol poisoning. I'm actually sitting in the middle of the French Quarter right now, here for a few days with my husband. He's at a conference, so I thought this was pretty appropriate of a subject. Anyway, so first, we need to recognize what is alcohol poisoning, kind of what it looks like. And that's pretty easy to recognize, and really when you do, you shouldn't ignore it, because reacting to and helping treat it or getting the person help can save their life and will save their life potentially. So what does it look like? Usually the person is unconscious or close to being unconscious. In other words, you can't wake them up, you can't rouse them, and if you do, they just make absolutely no sense whatsoever. They may have thrown up, they may be throwing up, which is a really good thing actually, because once they get to the emergency room, chances are that's going to be part of the treatment plan. Also, their skin can be cool and damp, and they could be suffering from hypothermia, because one of the things that alcohol does is prevent the person's body from being able to regulate their temperature, some basic functions like that. They may be having seizures too, and actually that's pretty common. Anyway, so how does alcohol work? What does it do? Well, basically it's a central nervous system depressant. I did a little research and educated myself, and I'm glad I did. So basically what alcohol does to the nervous system is, in really high levels, once it gets into the bloodstream, it affects the brain's ability to regulate just basic functions like breathing and heart rate and body temperature, and left untreated, it can cause death. So if you suspect that you see somebody that is suffering from alcohol poisoning, call 911, get help on the way, stay with the person until help arrives. Probably be a good idea to put them in the recovery position because they do throw up, and be prepared to initiate CPR if they stop breathing. So anyway, that's it. I hope this was a helpful video. I've enjoyed the class. I look forward to the next one. Thanks.